In the corporate world, return on investment is a guiding principle for every decision. The return of interest in workplace first aid training. Today, we're going to explore tangible return of interest of workplace first aid training. So investing in your first aid training is not just a cost, it's an opportunity to enhance your company's ROI. So let's delve into the workplace first aid training can deliver a measurable return on investment. So here are the key aspects to consider: reduced workplace accidents and injuries, lower workers' compensation costs, decreased downtime and increased productivity, enhanced employee retention and morale, improved brand image and reputation. The ROI of workplace first aid training is not just about cost savings, it's about a safer, more efficient and competitive organization. It's about knowing that your investment in safety pays off in more ways than one. The ROI of workplace first aid training is not just a financial concept, it's an investment in your company's future. Because in your business, a safer and more productive workplace is the ultimate ROI.